What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. My name is George. Today, guys, you're in for a treat. This is going to be a very random video, but I'm going to read some negative comments that I've been receiving while opening up some new stuff. So this is kind of a little haul mixed with reading hate comments. So yeah, if you're into that type of thing, then keep on watching. Guys, this is not like a normal video that I usually film, but tonight's a slow night, tonight's a boring night. I'm having some sparkling apple cider. And I figured, let's have some fun. Let's read some hate comments. Because I don't know what it is, but recently I've just been receiving the most mean comments. So, I don't know. I just need to talk to somebody about this, I guess. So that's what we're going to do. And have some fun while doing it. So let's start opening up some stuff. This is not a haul in particular from like any specific store. So I've just been collecting stuff recently as I've been shopping. So that's just what this is. All right. I'm going to display the comments here too so you guys can see for yourself that I'm not making this up, unfortunately. But don't come after these people. If they need to get this stuff off their chest to make themselves feel better, then let them do it. So just a little disclosure right there. Now this one says, "Girl, bye. Your chance to be famous was about 10 years ago." It is very nice. I'm happy that you feel like I look old. I don't know how to take that, but very nice. So with that being said, don't really care what they think. This is the first store that I'm going to talk about. I actually don't even know what this store is called. Oh, Against All Odds. This store is not my favorite store, but I have to say their hat selection is probably one of my favorites. That's why I go into this store, because it's kind of very street style, very urban wear, kind of hood, but I really love their hats. Their hats are very unique, and this is kind of basic, but I like the Yankees hats. I am a Yankees fan. I'm not huge into baseball, but if I am gonna enjoy baseball, it's gonna be for the Yankees. So go Yankees. Anyway, these are the two hats that I picked up. These colors are extremely unique. And if you're not new to my channel, you probably noticed that I always wear a like black Yankees hat. That's like my favorite hat. Fits amazing. These are the same exact fits. And honestly, you can get these hats at like Dick's for maybe like 30 bucks a piece. But this was buy one, get one half. And it is 24 bucks for one hat. Got the other one half off. And honestly, these colors are extremely unique. You honestly don't see hats like in these colors in your normal like sporting type places, so I figured need a new hat. Love Yankees hats, so got these. Next comment here, guys. I'm gonna read some comments that are left on other videos that I've commented on, because I'm huge into the YouTube community. So I watch a lot of channels. I watch a lot of trending videos, and this one right here, somebody said, "You're one to talk. You do the Bird Box challenge and introduce YouTube to your cats for views." Now, I did not expose my babies for views at all. That was just a fun way to introduce my 5 cats to my following. So, I don't care what you think, but yeah. Anyway, now this is a little Marshalls moment. Guys, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, my favorite stores. I pretty much live there, to be honest with you, because I'm always there. But I've never seen Zara stuff for some reason at TJ Maxx or Marshalls. So the two items that I picked up from Marshalls are from Zara, and this is like a long sleeve crew hoodie. I don't know what you call these, but this was only $8. Originally $16.99 at Marshalls, but it doesn't have the price from Zara on here. But love this, love the color, the crepe of it all. And then I got this Zara t-shirts. And this is nothing special. I don't know if I'm even gonna wear this often, but it's, what does this even say? Heart of a Warrior. Very inspirational right there, but $2. Guys, this is dirt cheap. Original was $19.95 at Zara. It's a size large, but this fit me perfect. And I'm not doing a try-on in this video because I don't feel like it, but good deals right here. The next comment is not something mean. It's just something that's kind of inappropriate. Somebody said, "You get more views if you did more videos shirtless." Just being honest. That's kind of just like assuming I have a nice body, which I'm kind of rocking a dad bod these days, to be honest. I'm not one of those YouTubers that has to take their clothes off to get views. I don't even need views. This is like a hobby of mine, so it is what it is. But guys that have to take their clothes off to get views and to attract an audience, I mean, do what makes you happy, but honestly, that's not my thing. So, and I actually follow a lot of YouTubers that share like fashion advice and all that stuff that go for the whole shirtless gig just to get attention. But I'm not judging you, it's totally not my thing. So if you're into that whole type of content, you're not gonna find it here. So sorry about it. Now on that note, this is not clothing or fashion or anything related except for goodies. Guys, I'm obsessed with these lollipops. These are called Bon Bon Bums, and these are like imports. I got myself 3 bags. These are the watermelon flavored. These are amazing. I'm not sure where I can advise you guys to like get these yourself, except for like an ethnic store that specifically sells Hispanic stuff. That's the only place I could really recommend. But this flavor is to die for. So give me a second. Let me have a moment and enjoy one of these lollipops. They have a lot of different flavors, but out of all honesty, watermelon is like my go-to fruit flavor. And strawberry, but it's been a moment since I had one of these. Oh my god. I'm gonna save this moment for later, so BRB for you, Lollipop. Next place is Calvin Klein. Now, I love myself a good Calvin moment, and this shirt I was eyeing up. I know it was like one of their pieces during Pride time. It was kind of like a little on the expensive side, but I waited because I'm patient, and I got it for $8.95. This is Calvin Klein jeans in a rainbow color. And I've never actually experienced a Pride festival, like, ever. I went one time, and it was because I bumped into it while I was on my way to Starbucks. So, yeah. This year, I'm thinking about having a Pride experience, like a real one. So, if I do, I'll probably wear this, so guess it will come in handy. Alright, so this person comments on a lot of my videos and they say kind of mean stuff. Not that it bothers, not that it hurts, not that I actually cared. So just let me know. But one of the comments is boring, get a job. Just an FYI, you guys, I have a full-time job. I do accounting work for a major bank in the US, so this is something that I do on the side that I love doing. Like I said, this is my hobby, so, and I don't get paid for this. YouTube, unfortunately, doesn't pay, so I'm not making bank doing this. I do have a full-time job. I have a career, in fact, and not bothered to this person. Just letting you know. They also say stuff like, "Can you tell us your coming out story? Is your hair color fake? Are you paid to do these product placements and names? You try and sell a lot. It is really boring as hell. Get a life." You sir or ma'am need to get a life, not me. So, wow. Guys, I want to take a sec because I've just unboxed this beautiful piece that I forgot that I had. And it's a porcelain cat's farmer style, if you ask me. I don't know what fashion you want to call this, but isn't this beautiful? I appreciate little odd pieces like this just displayed throughout my house. Not that I like to clutter my place with like tchotchkes or anything, but little things like this I appreciate. And this is a antique. This is stunning. Now this last comment is not very mean or negative to the average person, but to me, I take offense to this because this little lady said, "Kim Kardashian is the original influencer." And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, Kim is not. We all know Paris Hilton is the original influencer of everything, and she needs to get that entitlement. She needs that crown. She is the original influencer, guys. If you're somebody that grew up in the early 2000s, then you totally know that Paris Hilton is the original influencer. I mean, from reality shows to just marketing herself with many different products, she's an empire right now. So I don't need to plead her case. You all know, I mean, do your research. She's the ultimate influencer, so sorry, Lauren, just know that. And this is the last product that I'm going to talk about today. This was sent to me by Jesse Spitzer's company, and this is an up-and-coming like fashion brand. I believe they only sell men's clothing, but very kind. Actually, I have a handwritten letter here Very sweet of them. And this is a polo. And I have to say, I have opened this already, but I figured I would share this with you guys. This is beautiful. The quality is amazing, and I like their little logo. It's kind of like it's a polo guy. It's not Ralph Lauren polo, but it's like a little polo player there. Very impressed with the quality here because it takes a lot for me to enjoy a polo. Polos look very odd on me. I don't know if it's because like I'm shaped like a number 2 pencil, or because I don't know, but polos just never look good on me. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm not doing a try on, but this is very flattering for me. So thank you, Jesse Spitzer. Love this. Check them out, guys. They're on Instagram. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything. They just very nicely sent me this polo to check out. So thank you, guys. That is pretty much it for this video, guys. Hopefully you had fun hearing these rude, some weird comments. I know I enjoy reading these, and honestly I don't take offense to comments like this. I've just recently seen Jeffree Star did a ASMR video where he was reading like rude comments, like beyond rude. So I have nothing to complain about because these comments he was getting were brutal. So that was my inspiration. I love these random type of videos, and I'm having fun doing this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That is much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video, share the love, hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, so you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. And until next time, have a good day, have a good night, whatever time of day it is, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.